Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Herbert with Half a Mil Rebuilds. We're back with another video. It's the second day of the Infiniti M37 that we just picked up from the auction yesterday. I did a little bit of work yesterday, and today I'm here to finish the sanding process and basically finish the Bondo process because I'm tired of getting dusty and just hate this Bondo. So this is the what I left it at yesterday. As you can see, it's some low spots right here. That I had to fill back again, and just a little low spots right here. I had to sand that down and just continue to block this down also. So I'm gonna get straight into it and show you guys what I could do. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So now I'm at the point where it's time to do the glaze. So the glaze is basically a last coat that I'm gonna put on it, and basically all the little pinholes that I'm gonna show you right now are gonna disappear from this last glaze part. So as you can see, if we look closely, you can see some holes right here just from the Bondo. Little pinholes like this. You see stuff like this, little scratches, stuff like that. I'm gonna put the glaze on it now, and it's like a little thin coat that you put on to fill up these little holes and these little air pinholes right here. So that's what I'm about to do now, and basically this is how it looks. And now it's time for the glaze. How the glaze looks is like a little thin after this glaze, I'm gonna sand it down with a 320 grit, get it smoothened out, and after that I should be able to prime it and then wet sand. So this is the process that it takes to basically get the car perfect. I'm not perfect, but just from my experience, from learning over time, this is the best way to do it. If you guys got any tips or tricks, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that like button. Let's continue. Hey guys, so this is the basically finished product of the Bondo situation, and now I'm gonna begin to put the black primer on it. And I'm not gonna tape it up because I don't want no hard lines in the paint, so then I'm gonna have to sand those out. So I'm just gonna dust it lightly and then hit it with another coat. the first coat. I'm just lightly sprayed. And now I'm gonna come into here. Just gonna let that dry. Come into here. So we're gonna let this dry for 15 minutes and then come back and hit it with a little more to basically cover it. So far, so good. Time for the second coat. Second coat looks good. Oh, forgot. Gotta open this. As you can see, it was side swipe now. It looks good. Black primer, because I couldn't find like a dark gray. I would have went with like a dark gray primer, but they didn't have it, so I went with a black primer for the base. And then I'm just gonna wet sand this. What you guys think? Am I good for an amateur? Pretty good. I'm proud of myself. It looks good. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint it today. I don't know if I'm up for it, because I gotta put the gun back together, the paint gun that I took apart. But I might wet sand it, just wet sand the panels today. I probably could do that, wet sand the primer and get it smooth, and then go from there. What you guys think in the comments below? Let me know what you think. Quick buy, quick fix and flip. I'm still looking for that headlight. That headlight is pretty pricey. So if you guys find a headlight or anything, or you got any tips, I'm just looking everywhere. Like, I don't know why they want $1,100, $1,000 for one of these headlights. And this car is really, I guess because it's discontinued and they don't make no more of them. So that's probably why. I know, but $1,000 for this car is crazy. So I'm trying to find one for under 500. Let me know if you guys know. This is the model with the non-adaptive lights, and it has HIDs. So if you guys come across one or know anybody that's parting out one of these, let me know and see if I can buy a headlight off one of them. The right headlight is needed. This thing is crazy. It looks good. The roof is looking even better when I cleaned it off, so that's good. Inside is real dusty now due to all of the sanding. That broke my heart, so now I gotta clean it up. I'm gonna rock out with it for a little bit. I'm gonna post it up for sale and see whoever wants to offer me something for it. I'm just gonna test the waters basically, so it sells, it sells. If not, I'm gonna just roll around in it for a little bit, you know? It looks good. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this car. Do you like this Infiniti? What you think? Tail lights tinted. It looks good. Definitely looks good. It looks good though. Tell me what you guys think. So I'm gonna call this video a day. I'm gonna still wet sand it on my own probably, and then I'll let you know if I'm gonna paint it. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna shoot that when I paint it, so you guys can see me paint the car. That's all. It's still early in the day. I don't know if I'm up for it though to paint it, but still I got the paint, but I don't know. Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys in another video. I'll probably do another walk around next for you guys. After this is finished, this is going to be a little series of a few videos probably. See you guys later. Peace. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.